What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw L'il Petey from Dogman. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with two long ovals for the eyes. We're going to start on the top left, come all the way down, and bend that back up towards the top. Now leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right, coming down and then up. Let's fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw a small oval for the nose. Let's add a small highlight oval on the top, and we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. Directly underneath the nose, we're going to add a curve for the mouth. We're going to come down and then up, add a small line on the ends, and then from the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. Now, over on the left side, we're going to draw on the cheek. Let's start in between the eye and the mouth. We're going to curve this out, come around the bottom, go all the way across, and then up on the right. Now I'm going to go back on top of the cheek and draw the head. We're going to go all the way around, almost like drawing a circle, round up the head, and just bring that down on the right side. Let's add the eyebrows along the top with a small curve. And then directly up above the head, we're going to draw the ear. We're going to go straight up, angle this down and in. Let's go all the way over towards the right side and add another ear, going up and then straight down. Over on the right side along the bottom, we're going to add 3 small dots, and we'll add 3 whiskers coming out from the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start underneath the head on the left side. We're going to curve this down, round out the body, and then pull it back up towards the right. Let's add 3 stripes going across, starting from the top, bend this down and up, step down and draw that 2 more times. Now we're going to go back up to the top of the body, angle the arms coming down and out along the side, round up the hands, and then pull that in towards the side of the body. Now inside the arms, we're going to add 2 stripes, coming down and in. And then in the center of the body, we draw a straight line coming down to separate the legs, and we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and up toward the left and right side. Let's round out the foot and pull that back in. Angle the legs going up and in underneath the body. Now I'm going to add a stripe across the leg with a curve in the middle. Now we're going to bring the tail coming out from the right side. Let's start underneath the hand. Start by coming down and up. Bend that down towards the end. Round out the end of the tail. Now I'm just going to trace this and taper it in behind the leg. Let's add 4 stripes inside, starting from the inside with a curve, and then just work our way out. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw L'il Petey from Dogman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show how I draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.